What's up, KK Gang? It's your girl KK. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, go ahead and subscribe to this channel so you can become part of the KK Gang and turn on post notifications so you know when I post all my videos. And without further ado, let's get started with the video. Okay guys, so I already prepped my face. I moisturized it and everything. Now it's time for the eyebrows. I'm gonna go in with my Anastasia brow dip. Alright, now it's time to conceal. I'm going to be using the Pro Concealer, LA Girl Pro Conceal. And the conceal these because these look terrible right now, but concealer comes in handy. You see that big difference? Now I'm gonna go ahead and do the other side and I'll be right back. Okay, the brows are done. Now it's time for, I'm gonna do face. Time for the face makeup. So I'm going to color correct my face with this LA Girl Pro Concealer. Color corrector. Yeah, I can't talk. And I'm just gonna blend it out. Now for the foundation, I'm going to be using the True Match L'Oreal in the color Nut Brown. And I'm just going to apply that over my face. Alright, I'm going to go back in with the Pro Concealer and do my concealer. Just going to blend that out. I'm gonna get a little powder. I'm gonna use the HD Flawless, Flawless matte powder, and then I'm gonna brush that off because I don't like that to set too long.
Right now it's time for the contour. I'm gonna be using the Anastasia contour stick. I'm just gonna do a dab because it's a little dark for me, so I'm not gonna do too much. A little bit on the chin and some down the nose. I don't want to do too much because this is like too dark for me.
That's how big in my head is. Alright, so I'm done with the face for now. I'm just gonna do my eyes.
With the a base, I'm just gonna use the bronze color for the base. Cause I don't wanna do too much. I'm already gonna put concealer on it.
I'm gonna use a light pigmented concealer to cut the crease so the color that I'm gonna put on top of the concealer will pop out. You will see when I, do it. This palette, Take Me Back to Zero palette, and I'm gonna use this red color right here. Just for the crease. I mean, just for the on top of the concealer. Alright, I'm gonna go in with a black eyeliner. Now it's time to do my lower lash line. I'm gonna go back in with that same red. Right, next is highlight. I'm gonna use the Anastasia liquid glow, and I'm just gonna apply a little bit of that in my highlighted areas. All right, and usually I'll do a lipstick, but since today I'm going out to eat, I'm not trying to put lipstick on, so I'm just gonna go ahead and put some gloss on. The look still look fun, good. Hey, I look good. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Before I go, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Subscribe to my channel if you want to come part of the KK gang, and share this video. Let everyone else see this, okay? Because if they don't, they will be missing out. So I will see you guys next time. Peace.